What's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel and welcome to another video about the top box for Dominar. And top box that I have taken, and the brand is called as thing which is there, but for Dominar it comes with this beautiful top rack plus the rack, right? Even that. The other thing which I like about this top rack is that it also comes with this plate, so that I don't know whether you can see this space. You can either do some padding, again have the backrest padding, and then what's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel and welcome to another video about the top box for Dominar. And this one is from I believe jbracing. This one I picked it up from Amazon, though it was a little expensive, but because of the time in which I wanted to get this delivered, I paid a little bit more than what the market price was offering. So this one is a 37-liter top box which I'm going to install it to my Dominar. I'm going to show you the installation process as well as I'm going to tell you the build quality of the top box. This is from jbracing, roughly costs around 4,900 to around 5,500. But if you pick it from your local dealer, and especially in Hyderabad at Ramkot, there I think you can get it for around like 3,500 plus the installation charges. So you can get it somewhere between 4,000 to 4,200 rupees. So you can save a lot if you're picking it from an offline dealer. But compared to an online dealer, it is a little expensive. Though if you also purchase through the sale season as well, this will still be expensive on online stores. So that's something that you're going to check out in this video. So stay tuned to the end of the video and also check out the other videos on the playlist for the Dominar, the installations that I've done, as well as the bikes pros and cons that I've explained. So stay tuned to the end of the video. So this is the top box that I have taken, and the brand is called as jbracing, and this is a 37-liter top box which comes with single key which opens the door as well as it unhinges the top box from the plate. There are only two parts which is main for this top box. One is the plate which goes to the top rack, and the top box. You have to install the plate and that's it, and nothing else. But also you need to make sure you keep some padding inside so that you don't have any rattling sound. So the installation process is a two-step process where you have to put the base plate first, and then on top of that the top box goes. So the base plate has to have a top rack. So for Dominar you get this top rack, so which is good, and it is designed in such a way that it takes the the base plate properly. So if you don't have a top rack, you have to install one. That is something which is there. But for Dominar it comes with this beautiful top rack. And one more thing for the Dominar is that it also comes with this backrest. Suggestible that you take it out, because the space for the backrest comes like this, and then this further moves out. So suggestible to take it out and put it like this, so that you can have some kind of protection for the rear tail light. So that also is there, and this is how the fitting goes. The box type holders, that is something which goes into the grooves, and then these screws have to be fitted from the top, so that the bottom end of the screws is coming out like this. If you fit it the other way around, then this will project outside and then it will hit the top box. So that is something that you have to keep in mind, and then do the fitting of the hangers in such a way that it fits into the slots evenly and there's an equal load distribution. And one more thing what I've done is I've put this mesh, some kind of a padding underneath the mesh, so that it doesn't rattle. So that is also something that you can do. And then for this also I'll try to put some kind of a mesh, so that the gap between the top box as well as the rack, right, even that there's no vibration that you can see. So that is something which I'm going to do. So the other thing which I like about this top rack is that it also comes with this plate, so that you can hide the mesh system and the screws. All you have to do is take out the small nuts and then install it, and again after the installation put back this cover. So that is also something which is a good thing. So this is how the look is once when you install the top box. And then for this space, right, I don't know whether you can see this space. You can either do some padding, again depends on you how you want to do that, but this is how the look is. And then to unlock, so the single key which holds both the top box as well as the release mechanism for the plate. And this is what I was suggesting, to put a padding. And this is a 37-liter top box. Yeah. So to release it, same thing, unlock, press the red button, and then the top box comes off. Just show you the look, how it is. So you have the backrest padding, and then the top box is perfectly centered on the top rack. And this is how the look is. All I have to do is put my YouTube channel name over here, and then probably some kind of a stickering to make it visible in the night. So release mechanism, put the lock, and then unhinge, and then press the button. So that was the installation. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off, and see you in the next one. Bye.